Let me show you how Doctrine of Aul and Doctrine of Rad can be understood. It seems very complicated, but it is very easy. I really hate math to start with, but I found out that still it is easier. So I'm going to make this video, and I'm going to use the same examples which we have in Rega, so that we can go back to see that same problem. Let me start with Doctrine of Aul. So basically, when you sit in an exam, I don't think they'll give you Doctrine of Aul and then a question. They will give you the question, and as you solve the problem, you would come to know whether this is a Doctrine of Rad or Doctrine of Aul. So let's start with Doctrine of Aul, which has been given in Rega. Before that, there is a small table which you should remember. It's very easy to remember. Just first, let's do the table and what is it all about. That is dividing of shares. So when you go for dividing of shares, this is what you have. Okay, hope you are able to see it. And even to remember how will you divide these shares, it's very easy. I'm going to show you that as well. So just go for two tables, 2 into 1, 2 into 2, 2 into 3, 2 into 4 is the table, and always have 1 by 1 by 1 divided by and 1 divided by. Okay, this is 2 into 1 2, 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6, 2 4s are 8. And if you go back to textbook, you'll always see that if ever there are like about more than 2 daughters, the share will be reduced to 2 by 3, or if you have more than sons, daughters, more than 2, you will have 2 by 3, things like that. So you look into that, just give a read on that. Now in 1 by 2 you have daughter and you have son's daughter and you have full sister. And just to remind you, just a hint wise, you can remind like this, that 1 by 2 you have 3 females. Simple. The of belongs to 3 females, as simple as that. Daughter, son's daughter and full sister. And 1 by 4 you have husband. In 1 by 6 you have uterine brother, uterine sister, and you have mother, father, grandmother and grandfather. The only person who is left out is wife. Just write wife here. So this is how it has been, the shares has been or should be distributed. You should know this table before you get into whether Aul or Rad doctrines. This is very easy. As I told you, write three females name here. There is daughter, son's daughter and full sister. Write a husband, then write uterine brother, uterine sister, then mother, father, grandfather, grandmother, as simple as that, and then wife. So this is the table which we are going to follow for the problems. Okay, now let's take a problem which is in page 64 in Rega. So what it says is, here Mr. P dies leaving behind mother, father and wife and 3 daughters. So if you happen to remember the table column which we have done before, how much share each should get, I'll just have to remind you again. So this is the tabular column which you should know before you get into the problem. So looking at that, if it is a mother, that's 1 by 6 table, comes under 1 by 6. If it is a father, same 1 by 6. If it is a wife, 1 by 8. If it was full sister or daughter, it actually should fall in 1 by 2. But if you have more than one daughter, it comes under 2 by 3. So 2 by 3. So this is what you will end up with. Now it's all you have to do is simple calculation to see whether it comes under Radd or it comes under Aul. So as I already told you that this comes under Aul, it's easier. So what you do is remember this 6 and this 6 and 8 and 3. So these are all denominators. But these denominators, try to find the least common factor. So how do you do that? How do you find the least common factor? I'm so sorry. I'm trying to handle too many things here. So let me try this again. Okay, I think this is better. There you go. Okay, I think this should be better. So how do you do the least common factor? As I told you, the denominators, that is, I'm going to rewrite this 1 by 6, 1 by 6, 1 by 8 and 2 by 3. So this is the denominator, right? This is what we found. So take these denominators and write simply 6, another 6, another 8 and then 3. So these are the denominators which we have got. Here try to just do the tables. 6 ones are 6, 6 twos are 12, 6 threes are 18, 6 fours are 24, 6 fives are 30. Same thing, 6, 12, 18, 24 and 30. So 6 ones are, 6 twos are, 6 threes are, 6 fours are and 6 fives are. Now let's start with 8. 8 ones are 8, 8 twos are 16, 8 threes are 24. Same with 3. 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 6, 3 threes are 9, 3 fours are 12, 3 fives are 15, 3 sixes are 18, 3 sevens are 21, 3 eights are 24. So as you can see, here we got 24, 24, 24 and 24. You just have to remember which multiple has given you this 24. Alright, so in that way you should do this. 6 ones are, 6 twos are, 6 threes are, 6 fours are. So write 4 here. 6 ones are, 6 twos are, 6 threes are, 6 fours are. Write another 4 here. 8 ones are, 8 twos are, 8 threes are. Write 3 here. Obviously for 3 it will be 8. So it will be 8 here. Alright. Now remember this 6. I'm going to turn the camera for you so that you can easily see it. Okay, I hope this should be fine for you. Okay. Remember this 6. Okay, this 6, this 8 and 3. Where did you get these from? You got it from the above factors. So this 6 belongs to mother. So for mother, you take this 4 and multiply 4 by 4 into 1 by 6. Then comes another 4 which goes to father. So 4 by 4 into 1 by 6. Next comes 3 which belongs to 8. 8 belongs to wife. So 3 by 3 into 1 by 8. Next is 8 again, which also belongs to 3 and which belongs to the 2 daughters. So 8 by 8 into 2 by 3. We are trying to make sure that all the denominators are equal so that we can add. As simple as that. So 4 into 1 is 4, 6 fours are 24. 4 into 1 is 4, 6 fours are 24. 3 into 1 is 3 and 3 eights are 24. 8 twos are 16 and 8 3s are 24. So now the denominators are all same, so you can add the numbers. So what do we do? 4 by 24 plus again 4 by 24 plus 3 by 24 plus 16 by 24. So this is how you add them. So all the denominators same, so just add the numerators. What do you get? 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27. So write 27 here and write 24 at the bottom. So what we have here is 27 by 24. The denominator and the numerator. The numerator is larger than denominator. So basically this is what the property you have, and this is what property you have to spread with. So how do you make the numerator and denominator same or equal? What should you do? You should add them or subtract. So I have 27 here. I want to make this as 27 too. So what do I do? 24, 25, 26, 27. So that is 3. If I add 3, I can equate the numerator. So I should equate the numerator. So to equate the numerator, I should add 3. So that becomes 27. Now remember this 3. And I'm adding this 3. Because I'm adding, it becomes Doctrine of Aul. Because I'm adding. So follow me very carefully from now. So how will you distribute the shades is right now you have to do that. So what you do is take this 3. Simply take this 3 and go back here. Take this 3 and go back here. And what you do here? You add the 3 to the denominator. So what do you get? 4 by 27 so you're adding, so because you're adding 3, you're going to get Doctrine of Aul. So what happens here is 4 by 27 plus 4 by 27 plus 3 by 27 plus 16 by 27. So I just added the denominators. I just added 3 to these denominators. So what do I get is 27 by 27. That is equal to 1. That means I have 100% of the property right now. So now, as you remember, this belongs to mother, this belongs to father, this belongs to the wife, and this belongs to 2 sisters. That is nothing but 8 by 27, 8 by 27. So this is how the property is being distributed among the people using Doctrine of Aul. So as you can see, it's very easy. All you have to do is remember who gets what share, the table or column, and once you know that, put them on the paper. Once you know that, simply find the least common factor, then multiply them with this, add them, then you'll come to know whether it's the Doctrine of Aul or Doctrine of Rad, depending upon your adding or subtracting. Now let's take another example, and here we'll do Doctrine of Aul. So let me take a new paper and we'll do Doctrine of Rad now. Let's need a brand new paper. Alright. Okay. I'm going to do the Doctrine of Rad from the page 66 from the page 66 of Regasoria, so that you can go back and read the same problem. So here what happened is he has left behind mother and he has left behind a daughter. This is very simple. So if he is leaving behind mother, how much the mother should get? As you remember, mother, father, grandmother, grandfather, all of these people will get 1 by 6. And daughter, son's daughter, sister, all those females will get 1 by 2 of the share. Now, as simple as that, you have 6 here, you have 2 here. Find the least common factor. Just do this diagram. You write 6 and you write 2. 6 ones are 6, and you have 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4, and 2 threes are 6. Okay, so 6 ones are 6. So for this 1 is a factor. 2 threes are, so 3 is here. I'm going to take this 1. Okay, I hope you all can watch. Okay, I'm going to take this one and say 1 by 1 into 1 by 6, because this 6 belongs to this mother. This 2 belongs to daughter. So here I have got 3 as the least common factor. 3 by 3 into 1 by 2. So 1 by 1 is 1. Sorry, 1 into 1 is 1. 6 into 1 is 6. 3 into 1 is 3. 3 twos are 6. Now that I have a same denominator, I can add them up. 1 by 6 plus 3 by 6. What do I get? 3 plus 1, 4 by 6. So this is what you have. Now if you happen to remember in the previous sum, if you happen to remember, you have a numerator and denominator. Denominator is this 24, numerator is 27. 27 is greater than 24. So to make this 24 equal to 27, we had added 3. Now, numerator is less than denominator. So what do we do to make this 6 as equal to 4? You subtract, right? So 4, 5, 6, that is 2. You're going to minus 2. Since you're going to decrease the denominator, this comes in Doctrine of Rad. Okay? So here the problem is solved. You have come to know which doctrine it falls. Next is how much do you share? How do you solve that? So now that you know this is the magic number is 2. So take this magic number, go back here, and what do? Subtract. So subtract this 2 and subtract this 2, you get 1 by 4 for mother, and for daughter you get 3 by 4. If you add up both, you get 4 by 4, that is 1, that is 100% of the property. So this is how we do Doctrine of Rad. So here it's decreasing because Rad, and the previous problem in the Earl it increased, as you can see. So as simple as that, this is a simple equation. There's nothing to worry. I'm telling you, I really don't like math myself, but if I can do it, anyone can do it. It's an easy question. If you get this question in the exam, it takes hardly, I think, 5 minutes to write this down, but you get 20 marks. So I hope it helps for you guys. Take care and all the best.